Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to do a checkered pattern on a Rubik's Cube. First, have your Rubik's Cube solved. Then, take the Rubik's Cube and flip the center row twice to the left or right. Move it up again twice to the left or right. And this time you're going to turn it sideways and then do it again twice to the left or right. Now you have your checkered pattern on your Rubik's Cube. And to undo this, simply do the reverse of the steps that we just did. And that is how you make a checkered pattern on a Rubik's Cube. Thank you for watching.